Hey guys, so just a quick video today on how to do a DIY wheel alignment. So I'll show you what I've done. So what I've done is zip tied a level to one side, and then on the other side we've got a straight edge. So the point of this is to get the two wheels parallel to each other. And how we're going to achieve that is measuring from this point to this point, and then out here measuring this point to this point. And then we're going to move these outside points to be the same measurements as the inside ones. And that'll give us two parallel wheels. Okay, so the point closer to the car for my measurement is 1956 or so. And the point further out is 1985. So what that means is the two wheels are towing out this direction. So what we have to do is get the outside number the same as the inside. So we just play around with that for a little while and get it the same. So that'll make the two wheels parallel, and that'll give you a wheel alignment. Alright, so we're under the car at the moment. This is just sitting behind the front axle here, and this car is a solid axle. On an IFS it's going to be different how you do this, but on a solid axle this here is the track rod, and this is what keeps your wheels parallel, so what keeps your wheel alignment. So first off, then you just undo these two clamps here at the tie rod ends, and there's one on both sides, so you've got another one here at this tie rod. So you undo those two clamps and that'll allow this to turn. So this track rod here, depending on what way you're turning it, if you can see the levels out the front there, you've got this direction is towing in and the other direction is towing out, if you can see those levels. So you just have a play around with that and get your two numbers out the front the same as the ones in closer to the wheel, and then you've got your wheel alignment.